I know, I gotta grab the bread out of the bag.
Boise found ducks.
Duck. Slow down, son.
Fuck did the ducks come from though?
Yeah. You gotta rip it.
Duh. Duh.
Don has blue under his wings. Don, the closest to us.
You really gonna act up with a street bike? Really? That's cute.
Here, son. See the ducks?
Quack quack.
Aflac. Here. That was nuts. The other time we came, never have the ducks, yeah? The last melon. Here, son. All they see us loose. No, that would not. They're coming, buddy. Ready? Now. Oh, no more? Yeah, wait till they come close. Wait. Okay, ready? Set, go. Wait, up. Ready, go. Up. Look at this one. Still here, quickly. Wait, they're coming. Ready? That was funny, huh? Go. Ready. Go. Go, Bubba. Go. Daddy? Here. Go, Bubba. Go. Over there. The white bird. Whack the white bird. Look at our sad friend. Look, our sad friend. Did you whack the one? Hello. Gotta knock some sense out of him, huh? Oh,
It's empty?
yeah. All the birds are gone. Okay, I'll grab another one. So mean. Such a mean little boy. Ooh, you cracked that bird right in his head. Okay, he's getting pretty good, Bubs. You get banana all over your jacket. Yes, you do. No, you're not throwing that. You want water? You want water? Here. No. Drink it. Drink it. Grab that. Let me see your eye. Getting bruises all over the place. You're right. Ooh, you got another one. This is becoming a fun game for you, huh? Crack the bird in the head. Where? Where? My daddy? This one? Where's our special bird? Special bird go bye-bye. Where's he? Look, how about your feet? Look.
Ah.
There he is. There's our special birdie. Ooh. What? Wind shift.